Tell me that you want me, and I'll be yours completely, for better or for worse. And I know we'll have our disagreements, be fighting for no reason. I wouldn't change it for the world. 'Cause I knew the first day that I met you, I was never gonna let you slip away. And I still remember.
Kim received this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity, in the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Chris received this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity, in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. I was so nervous, babe.
It's easy to get scared of, but with you I am prepared for what is yet to come. 'Cause our two hearts will make it easy, joining up the pieces, together making one. And you make my heart feel like it's summer, together you make me feel like my mind is free and my dreams are reachable.